Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about what it feels like when somebody lies to you or somebody cheats you or deceits you, could be personally or professionally. So very recently this happened with me. I was working on a vlog and I invited someone to be a part of my video and talk about one of the fellowship programs on which I was releasing the next video. And it so happened that that person actually shared a lot about the program, but ended up concealing certain facts, probably which he was not confident of, since it was also revealing his weaknesses. So he chose to reserve some facts and not share it with the audience. And when I found out about it, it put me in a it made me reflect on why would a person do something like this. And what I understood was that in this world we are compelled to talk about our achievements and talk about what we've achieved, where we've done well, where we've come first, or people who we have left behind in the process, to really respect individual achievement. And that has been instilled in us since we were children. There are so many people, when you're in school and your parents want to know how much did you score, what was your rank. It's in those early days that we start recognizing that, okay, coming first in class is what is valued versus not having a rank or not doing so well. So it very intrinsically and in a subconscious way comes within us that we have to come first in whatever it is in life, be it marks, be it in a work environment, or even in personal relationships. We should have great relationships. There should be no problems. Everything should be smooth. Our relationship should be better than that of others who go through challenges. It's always about being ahead. It's always about not having to encounter any troubles and problems. And in that race, if we do stumble and if we do fall down and if we do things that are unconventional, which don't fit into the normal framework of success, I think we ourselves are the hardest people on us. We tend to judge ourselves by standards that others have set for us. And probably that's the reason why we are not comfortable talking about our failures. And I feel that that is probably the reason why that person also chose to not reveal certain things, because he felt that he may be judged because of it or anything else. And this has also happened in my life, where there have been several occasions where I haven't had the outcomes that I desired. And probably that conversation is for another video, since it's going to take a lot. I've had my own share of failures, which I call learning experiences. And I really do encourage all of you to, one, not judge everyone by the same threshold of success. Two, even if you fail according to your own standards, be gentle on yourself. And three, be kinder to others who may have gone through similar situations and are judging themselves for it. I hope this is some food for thought that you could resonate with. And if you did, please do share your personal stories in the comment below. I really would like to hear them and create that conversation, that community where we are open not just about our successes but also about our failures. Whatever you felt about this video, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. But do tell me how you felt about it, and consider sharing and subscribing to my channel to get more information on higher education programs, on news, on travel videos, as well as some of these thoughts and reflections from time to time. Thank you, and see you until next time.